what is binary numbers in Python or in the computer language? What language does the computer understand? Tell me. What language does the computer understand? These are the very basic questions.
The computer only understands numbers 0 and 1.
Yes. Good, very good. Yeah, numbers. Yes, it's understand numbers. Absolutely correct. What kind of a numbers it's understand, which we have, divided.
0 and 1?
What did you say?
0 and 1.
Yes, absolutely correct. These are called machine learning. Okay, called as binary numbers. Computer understand only one language, that is your zeros and ones. We call it either a machine language or a binary numbers. Okay, and to communicate between like you and I, we both of us know, all of us know English, so we can easily communicate in English, right? How does, because computer does not understand any kind of language, English, Hindi, or anything, does not understand. So who is there between machine, computer, and a human? The word called as compiler. Okay, I'm sure you all of you have heard the word translator, right? In the schools, we are having like French teacher or German teachers, and they teach us in English and they make us understand in German, like how to talk in Germany, and we have all those exams, everything, a different language of different countries. Same, the compiler is nothing but the translator between the computer and the human. Okay, we will not use the word translator, we will use the word compiler. Okay, but the purpose and the work of both compiler and the translator is absolutely same. Okay, all right. Whatever human is writing, human language convert into the computer language, that is zeros and ones, and then computer will check, oh, is there any error or any logical error, something, it will correct it and then reverse us back into the same English language which the human can understand. It's a vice versa concept. Okay, so it's very important what is programming, what is coding, what is compiler, what is the machine learning things, because all these things are very important and to start the coding. Okay, this is the one simple introduction about that. And Python is a very simple language. You will complete each and every code in one sentences basically, not more than that. All right. So we are going to see each and every step here, and then we will see I will what is computer, how we will do. Let me just, give you the brief of Python. It is started in 1991 by the boss. All right. And in today's class, what we are going to study, why Python, what is Python installation, steps, first Python programs, what is variables, data types, operators, calculation, and simple interactive programs. Okay, but everything, whatever you will see, is you are already aware, because these things you have already studied in your maths classes in the school time or in the college time, right? But now you will implement the same thing in the computer, that if I want to just simply write hello, or I just want to display write do some equation like addition of two numbers, how I will do that, that is there. So see why Python is the first step here. Okay, it's very simple, easy to learn, readable, highly in demand. Whatever you are watching these days, people are creating chatbots, AI content. The base is Python. If you know Python, you can easily make your AI. Okay, because the coding is in AI language, Python language only. So full AI automation working in many industries is with AI only. Right. So these are the few company names which holding this one, how computer works, input, process, and the output. So these are the basic things. All right. So now, what is Python? A programming language used to give instruction to compute. Okay, simplify. All right. Oh, now next one come up here. Okay, if you don't have a setup. Okay, if you do not have a setup, you do not want to set. So we have our own platform, mysb.com. Here I will just say, you just have to type here mysb.com, and you have to just click here start coding and nothing else. and it will simply comes here. Okay, it will just simply come here. That's it. So here, if I say here, print round bracket, double quotation, I'll say welcome class. So this is what I'm doing. This is I'm doing code. I'm doing code. Run the code. See, that's it. The best part about Python is this only, that all the codes are basically one line, not more than that. So you can, easily solve it. Welcome class. I've just reused the print statement and I have just clicked on run and my message has been displayed. That's it. So this is one platform where you can, do the coding without doing any login or anything. Directly you can start this one. Okay. And there are many other platforms are too, like PyCharm is there online. Other compilers are also there. You can use them also, but this is, I will prefer more. Okay, when you start the coding. All right, class. Any doubt in any of these things? Tell me.
So far, okay.
So far is okay. Okay. All right. All right. The setup has come. After the setup, these are the basic things. Okay, what you have you learned to so far is why Python. What is Python installation? So why Python now is in demand? Because everything, everywhere AI is coming. So Python will be in demand, obviously. Okay, now let's get started the coding and theory part hand on hand parallelly. I'm going to teach you first, I will explain you everything in the theoretical, and then same I will show you in the practical part too, hand on hand. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first thing, this is print statement I have written. Okay, you let me know what is formula. I hope you have heard this word. What is formula, and what is grammar? Tell me what is formula, what is grammar? Next class. Yes, yes, speak something. Why you guys are so low energy? I know it's weekend, but it should be more happiness.
Formula is like something like a mathematical formula to
Yeah,
solve a question.
yes, 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 yes. Your answer is correct, correct. Absolutely. Then what is grammar, grammar, and all those things? Yeah.
Grammar, like grammar. Grammar, that means to correct English
Hmm.
sentence. To,
Hmm. Yeah,
yeah.
that's there. Yes. So see, in English, if I know grammar, I can differentiate between how to where to use he, where to use she, has, her, and all those things, right? Okay. Same. If I know the formula, I can easily solve the equations and maths problem. Okay, right? The same thing in the coding part also. Here we called as syntax. Every problem, every situation, everything, whatever will come, you have a specific structured syntax that you have to write the code in that program. So that is mandatory that you have to by heart that one. And it is very simple. Like we have the first topic is print statement, because print is very important for whatever the code we are going to write. I have to display the code over the screen. That is so simple. So what is the syntax for that? Syntax is, I'll just use the word print. Okay, round brackets and double quotation, which I have just written also this welcome to class previously. And I will close my bracket. This is one way. Second way, print single quotation. That's it. So these are the two ways we have given. This is nothing but your syntax. And in this form only, you have to display your output over the screen. Okay. Now I will mark as the first line as a comment with the single hashtag. Okay, what is this hashtag? Is a comment. Like these days, we give the comments on social media, on any platform, on Instagram, YouTube, or any other of these things. But what will happen? Everybody don't read our comment first thing. Second important part is that it is not necessary. It is this is a comment is not a code. First thing, it is just a theoretical part. You are just describing and giving a introduction about your code, about your problem, sorry. Okay, like on which date I have written the code, who is the author, who has written that one, timings and basic, what are the things, syntaxes, logic I have used in that one, that way. So here, let's see, print. Okay, so comment is that single line comment and multi-line comment. So this is single line comment when just put the hashtag starting of the line and it will be, invisible. It will be invisible about that. So now print, double quotation, you just write, hi, good morning. Okay, it's raining. Okay, double quotation and close. Now see, I'll run this code. It is running. Fine. Second one is coming here. Next one again. I'm using a print statement. Now this time I'm using a single quotation. Single quotation, and I'm saying happy weekend. Okay, close it. And I'll run the code. That's it, right? So you will see here only Python is the language which give you this, uh, um, permission that you can use double quotation as well as single quotation to write the code. All right, class. I hope I'm clear.
Yeah, understand.
Understood? Are you able to see the code?
Yes, can see the
Yeah.
code.
Okay. All right. Fine. Yes, other are also rest of you guys. I hope you can easily see the screen. Yes, class, speak
Yeah.
something. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So this is a simple way of coding this one. All right. So I'll run this. So this is simple part. Just write anything about all these things. We use a basic few things like we use backslash n. Backslash n we use for a new line. Rather than taking every time a new print statement, okay, I can just simply use backslash n. Okay, backslash t for the tab. Okay, if you see in the keyboard, it is a third line left hand side, the button is there, tab, T-A-B tab, right? That tab you can use. Okay, so here if I say, I'll just make both of them as a single line comment with the hashtag. Okay, and now how I can use this one. So I told you write a big paragraph, full 5, 6, 11 paragraph, but I'm sorry, I am saying just write down your 5 friends' name. Okay, but then I'm saying you please only use one print statement. I don't want you to use 5 different print statements. So how will you write down? So just write down like this, print round brackets. Okay, you just type here my 5 friends name. Okay, double quotation. Okay, here it is done. And after that, I'll say backslash n. So I'll just write down my friend's name, Joy. Okay, again, the next one I'm saying here. All right, Harry. Okay, then I'm saying here the next one is John. Okay, so here the rest of them is any of them you can say like here. All right, so like that you can easily make them. All right, and here we closing last backslash and is also like we'll say poo. Run the code. So see, I have just used one print statements and these 5 friends name has come. Okay, all right. Understood the use of this backslash n for the new line. Automatically you see here, all the friends name has come to the next line. Okay, now what is this tab? You want to give a more space, just put it here, backslash t at front of them. Look at this, the gap here in the output, this gap. Anywhere, wherever you want, backslash t. Again, you run the code. So you can see all these things, right? And the last one you can see here. Okay, so this is what is tab. And if you want to give more tab, you can give more tab also. Then if you want a big space, again give one more tab. It is coming more far. All right. So it is up to you what kind of a creativity you are doing and what kind of a things you are doing. So that's a simple way. Any doubt in this print statement class? Tell me. Yes.
So far, okay.
Okay. All right. Fine. Okay, now after this one, okay, the first program we have done it. So like that only you have to write everything. Hello, you can type. I'll give you the time. All of you, you're using a laptop, you have to do it. Why don't you guys do it with me only? Just go at your Google, okay, and just in the Google bar you write down just simply this one, my myseaway.com. That's it. Write down just simply like this. Let me just share the link in the chat. Just open and we'll do the coding hand on hand, all of us. Come on. I will ask you guys also, right? I will ask you everything and then you have to show me. Open this one and let's do the code together. Come on. Give a try to this simple code. And then I'll just give you 2 minutes to complete this one or log in and do it. Okay. And the next topic we are going to start is variables and their rules. Okay. This is our next topic. Yes, class. Guys, speak something. Let me
Just
know.
have to share the screen, is it?
No, don't. I'm just saying you don't share the screen. Just open that one.
Oh,
Just
okay. Yeah. That's
okay.
open
And
already.
yeah, I'm saying you do the coding hand on hand with me. It is very
Okay.
useful for you. So you will show some interest also. By looking at, you will remember everything. But when you do, it will give you the difficulties. So it is better if you do hand on hand with me. If any error will come, we'll discuss. All of us will see. That is why I'm telling you. I'll just give you 2 minutes. Yes, class. There are other people also there in the. Okay.
Yes. What should write? What the statement?
Uh, you just print the statement, right? Use the print. Like you can you see my screen where I have done the code?
Yeah.
Uh,
Previously I saw something that here's a different.
no, I have shared it in the chat now. I have shared in the chat that link. Just see the chat. I have shared in the chat mycway.com. Just open that one for the coding.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, just click it. It is nothing. You have not. You should not do any login over there. Just open it, and that's it. Simply, the option will come. Start coding and start coding. That's it.
We cannot hear you.
Okay, now can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear you.
No, I'm not speaking. I'm just give. I have just given you the time, all of you, to do.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just 2 minutes. No?
Okay.
Yes, Van, Kevin. What is this? Safu. Safu, I hope you're doing it. Safu, are you there? You're on mute. Yeah, okay. Hi. Yeah, I can see the chat. Hi. Okay, open the link and do it. Do a little bit. Do the code hand on hand. I hope this is the way you can see here over. It's there. You can write anything on your print statement and just do the code. Just let me know once you have finished, then I'll go ahead with the variables and the rules, the next topic. Okay, you have completed. Okay, Van, you have completed. Okay. Okay, hi, good morning. I am Suja. Hope you're doing good. Yes, that's correct. Yeah, good one. My text is okay. Van, what is your text? Suja, you are correct. Yes, double quotation is fine. Okay, Van. What is your text? What you have written? Fine, no problem. Your text is different. That is not the problem. You should know how to use the print statement. That's it. Okay. Yes, correct. Okay. All right, Kevin, correct. Okay, Van, nice. I like sleeping. Yeah, good. Nice. Okay. So may I proceed further? Yes, class, I think you have all of you have done. Okay, good. And almost all of you have done correctly. Okay, so let's move further. Okay, so here we go. All right. So now see, we have completed like simply how to use a print statement. Now the next topic over here is variables. Okay. Now what is variables? This is a very simple topic. What is variable? What is variable? What is variable?
The container for storing data.
Yes.
Data.
Yes. In the maths also we study this one. What is variables? Yeah. Yeah, you're correct. They're holding some value. So what like x is equal to 12, okay, a is equal to 10, name is equal to Ali, age is 25, then we are printing. Okay, so what are we doing? We are just, what is this first part we are doing? We are declaring and then we are printing. Okay, so what is this variable? Variable is the content, that data which stores some data. Okay, this show Python can store different data. So we have a different kinds of data which Python can store. And here the next one is input. Take input from the user. Okay, and print name. Let's understand these two very important thing. One is variable. Simply, I am predefining. I have predefined name is equal to Ali. And here I'm using an input method and I'm asking to the user to write down, enter your name. Here the name is not fixed. Okay, how I'm gonna do this one? So here we go. So here, let's get started this one first. Okay, variable. So first you should know variable rules. Okay, so what are the variable rules here? The first rule of the variable is variable name must start with letters. Okay, no numbers and special characters are allowed. Nothing. No special characters, any of these things. Hashtag, dollar sign, at the rate, asterisk, round brackets, forward slash, backslash, nothing. Nothing is allowed. Okay. Only next rule is only one special character is allowed, that is underscore. That's it. Okay. And lastly, Python is a case sensitive language. Okay, so we will see each and everything step by step. Now, see, I have written these things. Now, I have told you we have two types of comments. One comment we do with the hashtag, which we have already done. Now, from 8th to 11th line, what is these four lines are what? These are your paragraph, fully paragraph. Okay. So if I have to give more than one line in the paragraph as a comment, then I will use this single apostrophes three times. At the starting, I have written and then one, two, three. Okay. So see, this whole part from 7th to 11 is become what? It is my theory part. Now it's become comment. Okay. Now let's do the declaration. How we declare the variable. So you have to follow these rule. First rule you have to follow. Okay. You cannot start like this. One name. is equal to Joy. And then I am printing here. And AMA name, Joy I have given. And then I'm just print here, print one name. I'll run the code. See, what is this?
Because
I got
the one.
yes, cut the one. Yes, correct. So I got the error. If I remove this one, I'll run the code. Okay. See, here also, what is this I have done? See, I have not cut the code here. In 14th, I have cut the name, but when I have declared in the 13th, I have not cut. So this concept is called as Python is the case sensitive language. Okay. The way you have declared, in the same way you have to print. Okay. The way you have declared, in the same way you have to print. Got it my point? See, Joy has come here. Okay. Name is equal to Joy and it has printed here. And more better way, you just pass the message first like this. Hi, I am. All right. Okay. See, here you have written in a small letters, lowercase. While printing, you just made this N capital. And if you run the code, it will, what is the error is coming? Error is coming, name is not defined. Because Python is the case sensitive language. The way you have declared, in the same way you have to print. That is the one first most important thing. You should know this is third rule. Okay. You cannot, I can write one in the middle. Number I can write in between. I'll run the code. It will work. See, hi, I'm Joy is coming. I can write one at the end also. It will work. Okay. But I just use one special character, asterisk. It will give me error. Okay. So special characters anywhere, whether you write starting, in between or end is not allowed. Numbers in the startings are not allowed, but in middle and at the end, you can write down them. Okay. Very easily. And the most important, the third one is underscore. When to use this underscore. So you are saying my new phone number, new phone number. Okay. These are the three lines equal to, I'm just writing this one. I'll say, I'm saying here, new phone number. New phone. This now, which I'm saying too long variable name. I'll just say new number. Okay. Now, by looking at the rule, you tell me why I'm getting an error. What I have done the mistake in 15th that I'm getting error.
Because the variable has cannot have spaces.
Very good. Absolutely correct. Either I should remove this space like this. Okay. And I'll run the code. It will work. Are the best way because see, new and number both are a different word. Okay. To represent their uniqueness, we always use underscore. Okay. And we to remove the space is only we use underscore. And I'll run the code. It is working. It is coming. Fine. So that's it. This rules you have to really focused here, whatever is there for this variable part. Okay. And then you can make it. And one more most important thing, when you are writing a code, you will get maximum errors are called as indentation errors. Okay. Indentation error is what? My code is absolutely correct. It is running. Just I put it this 14th line by mistakenly or whatever it is. I started after a one space. Now see, I got the error. Yes. Here, what is this issue? What is this unexpected intent? Indentation error. All right. So what does it mean? What does it mean? Python does not accept any extra space. Zero tolerance. Okay. You have to start every code from the starting of the line unless they have not given you anything that you have to, start from the third line or give a space. We have the few syntaxes like that where after the 4455 space you have to start. But basically, if you are using just a simple print statement, it has to be from the starting of the line. Okay? Got it, my point? Understood? Yes? Yeah.
Understood.
By with the help of theory and practical, I hope it is clear to you, right? Okay. And now, all right. Okay. Sujata said, okay. All right. Now the last and the most important input we have studied. What is this input method? Now see, what is this input method? Right now, what is happening? I have written the name Joy. Okay. I have written the name Joy. It is, I have predefined. My wish, no, I do not want to predefine any name. I'll just use, I'll say name, N-A-M-E, name equal to input. I'll say enter the name. Okay. So because we have a inputs are very various types. We have a characters, 6. Okay. We have a decimal values, without decimal values, everything is there. So if I just want to print a name, then I will use only input. I want to display my age, I will use int. Int is nothing but integer. Only take, it is one kind of a data type in Python which hold all without decimal value. Enter the age. Now I am saying, okay, I want to display my salary also. Okay, I want to display my salary. So salary always could be in float numbers. So I'll say here float. Float is another data type which hold all the values with decimal values. Okay, so I'll say here enter my salary. Okay, I'll run the code. And maximum question, we are going to do the okay, which line? It is giving an error.
20 and 21.
Okay, what is that error?
Bracket.
Okay, yes. Bracket is missing. Yeah. Now enter the name. I said my name is Joy. My age is 25. I'm earning 50,000. Okay. I'll run the code again. I'll say my name is Harry. Okay. My age is 50. Okay. I'm earning, suppose, in lakhs. So this is how. Got it? My point. Okay. This is user entry. This input purpose is what? It is used for user entry. Okay. User entry. And it is not fixed. Maximum question in the Python will come for the user entry. Every time they are going to say you, please take the user entry and solve the problem. Take the user entry and solve the problems. Okay. All right. Yes, class. Tell me, is there any doubt about this input statement? Name, variables, rules of the variables, what is comments, 2 types of comments, any of these things, whatever we have studied for today's class?
No.
No. Okay, so see, we have done this data type. Okay, name, age, price, and this true false is nothing but your boolean. These are the fully one big data chart is there, and then these operators will come. Okay, and these are the furthermore steps which operators, like if you want to perform some, this is more advanced one. Okay, various types of things one come. Basically, if you take addition of any 2 numbers or you want to do that, you can do it very simply. I'll just do it at starting. So now you know how to declare the variable. You take num1 is equal to 10. Okay, then you take num2 is equal to 5 or 6. You can do 2 ways. Either you take a separate variable and you are saying I'm adding num1 plus num2, and you are saying print I'm passing a message first, always in the double quotation, addition, okay, comma, add. Run the code. Okay, so see, it has come here 10 plus 6, 16. This is one way you can do it. As simply also, you can do it here in this way also. You will say print, okay, addition, okay, double quotation, comma, you say num1 plus num2 and round bracket. That's it. So it is up to you the way you want to do it. So see, both of them are giving you 16. Okay, here you just need to change the, you are saying multiplication now. Okay, all right, it is giving you multiplication. Okay, yes, class. Got it, this one? These operators, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all these things. Yes. So what we have learned in this the whole class, what is Python, variables, input, data type, calculation, and build the first programs. This class. Let me know if you have any doubt. If you have no coding background also, it's not a problem. You can easily do it because AI does not see all these things. You should know the coding and best in logics. That is only the most important thing, and you can go ahead. All right? Yes, class. Any doubt for today's session? That's it from my end side.
No, I
So
don't.
far, okay.
It's so far okay. All right. So, guys, that's it from my end side. And now over to Anu, my team member. Okay. She is going to talk to you. And whatever your plan is there for the further, you can discuss with her. All right.
Thank,
Okay.
thank you, Manjit.
Anu?
Thank you for
Yeah.
your time. Yeah, thank you for your
Okay.
time.
Thank you, Manjit.
Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you, class. Bye bye. Take care.